Are you looking for an easy way of trading and investing in cryptocurrency? Or maybe you're already trading and trying to find an easy way. We have a proposition for all of you. First, let's talk about cryptocurrency arbitrage. It happens when a coin is bought or sold in large volume on one exchange while moving the price. On this exchange, the price of a coin differs from the price on other exchanges. On another exchange, the activity of transactions with the same coin may be lower, because of that which there is a difference, which is profit. Here is a widget that compares cryptocurrency prices on the most popular exchanges, Binance and Kraken. This widget includes real-time monitoring charts for all pairs listed on the exchange that compare Kraken and Binance. Track the price difference between exchanges. Receive notifications about a sharp jump in one exchange relative to another. Don't miss the time. Let's try it.